welcome back to Deva Kitania. My name is Deva. I hope you all are doing great. So guys, today I'm going to show you all how to make a cube with magnetic balls. So guys, look what's in my hand. So let me open it. So guys, I got this magnetic balls from my mom and dad as a gift. And it came in the shape of a cube. But when I started playing with it, I thought I should make the cube again. I tried again and again and again, and I finally succeeded. And I found a quick and easy way to make the cube. So I thought I should share it with you all. So let's start. Now the first step is we have to join all the magnetic balls together and make a straight line like this. Now we have to connect the ends like this, and now we have to join them like this together. Okay, now guys, we need a card. Any card, you can use any card. Now you will find that there is going to be one extra magnetic ball. So we are just going to take it like this. And now we are going to go to the other end and we will join it together like this. Look guys. Okay. Now we are going to take the other end and join them both together very carefully. Now we have to place them on each other like this. Okay. Now we are going to take the card and put it in middle of them. Now look, we have to put them like this on both the sides like this, and we have to join them together. Now we are going to take the card and just slide it. And now again we have to put it in between like this. Okay, now we have to count till 18. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Now we are gonna cut it. Now look. Now we are going to cut it in between like this and just do this. Now we have to connect it like this, and now we are going to take the other stripe, connect them very carefully like this. Amazing! Now this is the last step. Now we have to count till 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now this is a very important part. Now look guys, like this. Now we have to take the card out smoothly like this. Amazing! Now we have to pick it up and wait a second. Now we have to put it over like this. Same with the other side. Like this. Okay, like that. Amazing. Now from over here. Perfect. Now the last one. Yay! Hooray! We did it! Wow, it's looking so beautiful. Now we can put it in the box. Wow, it fits perfectly. Now let's put the lid. Yay, we have done! We have made the cube. Amazing! I really love it. And you know, since I have learned how to make it, I have been making it every single day. I love this technique, how to make a cube. So please try this technique at home. It's super easy. You will get it in a minute. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please try this at home, and bye bye. Remember to subscribe, like and share the video. Ta-ta!